Before you start, you need to install CVAT locally with a serverless function. There are two options available: GPU and CPU. The GPU is significantly quicker. Links to the installation manuals are in the video description. After you've installed CVAT, you need to run just one command to install SAM. You can confirm the successful installation by checking the following indicators. Now let's try annotating images with the following labels. The Segment Anything model will be available from the AI Tools Indicators menu. Segment faster and with higher quality using CVAT. CVAT is an open-source platform for preparing datasets at scale. You can find more information at cvat.ai.